Willa Kate.
Willa Kate, the famous kiss.
Yeah,
Shall we?
Sus ar y balcony.
Shall we recreate?
Matt. Mae
Sus
mor
fi.
ddrwg.
Come on.
Gwers, Mr Johnson.
Mr Sunday.
Neu bydde di'n mynd i'r gornel.
Okay.
Ww, nes i'n
I like
joio
it when
hwnna.
you talk to me like that. It makes me worse.
Reit mae Dot, iawn, yn gweithio ar, I feel so sorry for her. Byddwn ni'n ofnadwy yn y job yma, I'd be terrible at this job. Sport. Rugby. Mae hi'n gweithio ar y rugby. Ac mae hi hefyd yn sylwebu, commentate. Ar Wimbledon, fi'n credu.
Really? Okay.
Fi'n credu.
Wimbledon.
Rhaid i ni ofyn iddi hi.
We'll ask her.
Yeah.
Holly.
Holly.
Fi'n cofio.
Felly, sut...
Surprised.
Na, dwi ddim. Dwi'n hapus.
I can't tell with you because you're always smiling. Save them. Save them so I know. Okay.
Right, felly...
Wyt ti'n?
Yeah, so, beth am ofyn iddi hi, we can ask her. So, wyt ti'n, okay, is are you or do you?
Wyt ti'n.
And then if you just add mynd I, iawn...
Are you going to?
It's really easy, exactly, it's a really easy way o siarad am y dyfodol, the future, iawn? So, wyt ti'n, are you working on? Wyt ti'n mynd I work on...
Olympics.
Gemau'r Olympaidd.
Gemau Olympaidd.
Yeah, so games of the Olympics, literally.
Games of the Olympics.
Gemau'r Olympaidd, ie. Felly, wyt ti'n mynd I weithio ar Gemau Olympaidd? Yn union. Ho, da iawn, reit.
Diolch.
Ti'n barod am sgrin rhif 2?
Ti'n barod?
Os wyt ti eisiau gwneud gosodiad, statement, like, you are.
You are.
It's so easy. All we do is, like, change our voice. Wyt ti'n, or you might hear some people saying rwyt ti'n. Okay, so that's the full one. Rwyt ti'n hapus.
Rwyt ti'n hapus. You are happy.
You are happy.
You are. Wyt ti'n...
Wyt ti'n hapus.
Gas.
Rwyt ti'n gas.
Wyt ti'n gas.
I'm nasty.
No, you're not nasty.
A question, drop the R and newid y llais, change your voice. Are you?
Are you? Wyt ti'n?
Yeah.
Wyt ti'n? Wyt ti'n hapus? Wyt ti'n gas?
So, Dot, wyt ti'n sylwebu, commentating, ar Wimbledon.
Ar Wimbledon, blwyddyn yma.
Exactly.
Wyt ti'n sylwebu?
Or, Dot, you're commentating on Wimbledon.
Oh, okay. I see where you're going with this, yes.
Rwyt ti'n sylwebu ar Wimbledon.
See, it's more of a fact.
Statement.
It's a statement.
So just newid y llais.
Okay.
Hapus?
Fi'n hapus.
Yeah.
Should we have a little look at Dot in action?
Yeah.
Dot, take it away.